Welcome guys, so today I am with the HUAWEI Nova 10 SI and I'm gonna show you few camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, when you open the camera application, we will be in the photo mode, and right here we can quickly adjust the brightness level. You can just click on the screen, and when this sun icon shows, you can just decrease or increase brightness level by moving this slider. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen once. Another tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here on the right side above the fingerprint sensor. So when you click once on the volume up or volume down, you are able to take photo. You can also click and hold one of the volume button to take series of the photo. And as you can see, we can take 100 photos. When we open the settings and scroll down, there's no option to switch function of the volume buttons. In the most cases, you are able to zoom in and zoom out with the volume buttons or use them as a shutter. But right here we cannot find this option, but there is another tip with the volume buttons. There's the ultra snapshot, and as you can see, we can open the camera or just take a snapshot. So we can double press the volume down button when the screen is off to take photo or to use the camera. Take a look. Lock the phone, click, double tap the volume down button. Your phone will vibrate, and as you can see, we take the photo. And it looks like that. So it will be useful for you if you want to quickly take photo. You can catch the exact moment that you want without opening the camera application. Next, when you use this floating button, I mean the shutter, you can click and hold it to take the series of the photo, so it works the same like holding the volume buttons. You can also add floating shutter button by going to the settings and tapping on this option. So right now, as you can see, there is another button that we can use the same like this one. So it will be useful for you, for example, when you cannot reach the bottom shutter, when you hold the phone with the one hand, so we can get it, for example, right here. If you want to turn it off, just go for the settings and click on this place. Next, you can also zoom in and zoom out by using this presets. So we can go for the ultrawide lens, wide lens, telephoto lens, and zoom. It's the 10 times zoom. When you click and hold already selected preset, you will unlock this slider. So you can zoom in and zoom out very smoothly, as you can see. And the 10x is, by the way, the maximum zoom on this phone. Next, when you click in this place, you are able to add filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. I'm gonna put this green knife in front of me to show you how the temperature has changed and the colors. For me, this one looks the best, actually. Okay, I think it's time to move on for the settings, and right here we can enable the audio control, so we can say the keyword like say cheese or speak loudly to take photo. Let's try this one. Take photo. Take photo. Okay, we have to speak a little bit louder, and the option is working. We can right now turn it off. Right here we can also switch the resolution of the video, so we can record for the full HD, but unfortunately only in the 30 frames per second. When you go for the normal HD, it's still on the 30 frames per second. Right here you can enable the horizontal level and assistive grid lines. As you can see, it appears right now on the screen. And also we can enable timer between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So after the countdown, the photo will be taken. Right now I'm gonna turn it off. You can also turn off the shutter sound. So right now when you take photo, you cannot hear any sound. Okay, when you go for the video mode, right here, we can also adjust the brightness level, use zoom feature. When you click in this place, we can move for the dual view option. So right now we can record video from the two cameras at the same time. You are able to change the theme of it, so we can get it, for example, in the picture, or just simply split the screen. When you go for the more modes, we can also find right here the high resolution mode, and this mode allows us to get more details on the photo. So let me just make a comparison. I'm gonna focus on my phone, so catch focus, take photo, and right now just go smoothly for the photo mode, and let's do the same. So we can make comparison between these two modes. So this photo was taken with the normal mode. As you can see, it looks good, there's good quality. And we can also switch for this ultra resolution mode, and as you can see right here, we can spot definitely more details. And we can also zoom in much closer. Take a look one more time. We can focus, for example, on this place of my phone. Yeah, as you can see, that's actually really big amount of the details thanks to the high resolution mode. Okay, and when you go for the more mode, we can also use super macro photos. So it will work like that. Let me just grab this button, or maybe this knife. I'm gonna put it close to the camera. When it's in the focus, just click on the shutter. We can also use flashlight to get more light and, by the way, more details. Let's take a look how it looks. Okay, no bad, but I guess when we try to use the high resolution mode and take photo of this knife, we'll probably get more details when we zoom in and crop the photo. Let's take a look if it works. Yeah, I guess that we got definitely more details with the high resolution mode, so this one is actually a little bit useless. So yeah, that's all the tips and tricks that you can use on the Huawei Nova 10 SI. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.